Hello friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Sorgesar Biology. In this lecture, we are going to study the deviations from Mendelian ratios. Deviation means these are the differences or having a certain kind of changed ratios than that of Mendel. Mendel finds some expressions like one trait, one gene, and having two alleles of that gene. One is dominant, another is recessive. Such expressions are obtained by the Mendel, or having the law of segregation, law of independent assortment. These findings are obtained by the Mendel by the experimentation. But in post-Mendelian studies, some scientists studied the another examples, and they have find some other expressions, some other changes than the Mendelian ratios or Mendelian findings, and such study or the such findings are comes under the neo-Mendelism. This is the post-Mendelian era. These findings are discovered after Mendel, and these deviations are also considered as a neo-Mendelism or neo-Mendelian genetics. Such deviations are, some deviations are given here, like the first deviation is given as single trait. Trait means character, single trait which is controlled by a single gene. Single trait controlled by single gene, and this single gene having two alleles. Single gene having two alleles, but the expression is like a codominance and incomplete dominance. Here the law of dominance is not proved. Law of dominance is not applicable in codominance and incomplete dominance. So this is one type of deviation. The another is single trait controlled by single gene, but single gene is having more than two alleles. Single gene is having more than two alleles. There are no any contrasting allele more than two alleles. The example is multiple allelism in the Drosophila, wing pattern of Drosophila, and blood group, human blood group. Next finding is single trait controlled by more than one genes. Here trait is one, character is one, but the character is influenced by more than one genes, showing additive effect. More than one genes come together and they have a single expression like single trait. Polygenic inheritance like the skin color in human being or wheat kernel color. Next is single gene influencing many traits. Here gene is one, single gene, but traits are different, like pleiotropy in sickle cell anemia. Pleiotropy in sickle cell anemia. And these four type of interactions are classified under two groups, like intragenic interaction. Intragenic means within. Intragenic means within the single gene. These interactions are within the alleles of a single gene. A and B means codominance, incomplete dominance, and multiple allelism comes under intragenic interaction. And second one is intergenic. Intergenic means having different genes, C and D, like polygenic inheritance and pleiotropy comes under intergenic interaction. Understood the pattern of neo-Mendelism or the deviations from neo-Mendelism? Let us consider the example of neo-Mendelism. The first example of neo-Mendelism we are going to study is the incomplete dominance. The first example we are going to study is incomplete dominance. Here incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. Dominance is not complete, or there is no recessiveness. Neither dominant nor recessive. Such kind of expression is obtained in incomplete dominance. In Mirabilis jalapa, 4 o'clock plant, the expression like 4 o'clock plant, the flower expression like red flower is crossed with white flower. The plant having red flower is crossed with the plant having white flower. Red flower, capital R, these are the genotypes. White flower, small r, these are the genotypes. Now, the gametes, capital R and small r, after the fusion, the F1 generation is capital R, small r. Now, according to the law of dominance, this must be the red colored plant, the plant with red flower. But in incomplete dominance, this is neither red nor white. This is pink colored flower. This is pink colored flower. Pink color is a mixture of red and white color. Pink color is a mixture of red and white color. Red color and white color mixed with each other. And here it is the partial expression of character. This is a partial expression. Partial expression. Red color expresses partially as well as white color expresses partially, and both color get mixed with each other to form the mixture of color, that is the pink color. In F2, see the F2, put the gametes in the checkers board. In F2 generation, this is male, female, capital R, small r, capital R, small r. Now, what are the findings? Capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, capital R, small r and small r. Here, in F2 generation, homozygous red is obtained. Capital R, small r, that is the pink is obtained. Homozygous red, 1 pink, 2, and small r, this is the white 1. So, the phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1 and genotypic ratio is also 1:2:1. 1:2:1, the genotypic ratio in the F2. Here, the incomplete dominance takes place. Incomplete dominance, neither dominant nor recessive. Red color expresses partially as well as white color expresses partially. So, both the colors get mixed with each other to form the intermediate expression, that is the pink. These are the deviations. The first example understood the incomplete dominance. The second example is, here the ratio is significantly changed. In the phenotypic ratio, according to the Mendel's law of dominance, the phenotypic ratio in F2 generation is 3:1. 3:1 means red is to white if we consider 3:1. But here not 3:1. Here 1:2:1. 1 is a red, 2 are pink, and 1 is white. The ratio is significantly changed. The next example is, the second one is the codominance. Second example is codominance. Now, the codominance example is observed in the coat color of cattle. Codominant example is observed in the coat color of cattle, like here. Red bull is crossed with white cow. Red bull is crossed with white cow. Now the coat color or the hair color of Red Bull is red, that is capital R, capital R. Red Bull crossed with white cow, capital W, capital W. Here capital W, capital W. Red Bull crossed with white cow. Now the gametes, capital R and capital W. In F1 generation, what is the F1 generation? Capital R, capital W. Then what is this? RW means, is it a red or is it white, or according to the incomplete dominance this is pink? Have you observed the pink colored cattle? No. RW means the roan color. The expression of color is roan colored cow or roan colored cattle is formed. Then what is a roan color? What is a roan color? Roan color means red colored hair and white colored hair mixed with each other. Here color do not mix it, but red colored hair is separate, white colored hair is separate, and mixture of hairs takes place. This forms the roan color, or you can also found the white colored cattle with red patches. White colored cattle with red patches also found. RW, roan color. Here the equal expression of character takes place. Equal expression of character takes place. What is equal? Red color expresses equally and white color expresses equally. Red colored hairs are separately present, white colored hairs are separately present, and hairs get mixed with each other. So the red color is separate and white color is separate. Both the colors expresses themselves equally. There is no mixture of color, but mixture of hairs takes place. Now in the F2 generation, put the gametes in the checkers board. What is the F2 generation? See here, R, W, R, W, R, R, capital R, capital R, capital R, capital W, R, W, and W, W. What is here? Red colored cattle 1, roan colored cattle 2, and white colored cattle 1. So the phenotypic ratio, instead of 3:1, here the phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1, and same the genotypic ratio is also 1:2:1. Now these are the first two examples of neo-Mendelism or the deviations from the Mendelian ratios: incomplete dominance and codominance. In incomplete dominance, there is a partial expression of character. Red color and white color expresses partially or half of, so there is the appearance of pink color. But in the codominance, here it is the equal expression of character. Red color and white color expresses equally. So there is a separate red colored hair, separate white colored hairs are present, and these hairs get mixed, or the cattle having white color with red patches is found in the codominance. Understood? The next examples like multiple allelism and pleiotropy we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.